Course fees. The fees for postgraduate study vary from course to course. To get an idea of what your intended course will cost you, then I suggest you go to the course overview online and have a look at it. The fees for 2012 have been updated as of the 1st of October on the website, so please check that out as well for current information. This is a guide only, the one that we've put up here for you. The example provided on the slide is for a full-time Master of Advanced Accounting, what you would pay in 2012 for the first year only, and so therefore on average of 1.5 years to do this course, you need to pay another 50% of those fees again. On average, you can expect to pay somewhere between $2,000 to $3,000 per unit. For the exact cost, though, you could use the fee calculator that we have provided for people as well. There's a team at the front who's also got all the lists of all the units and all the prices appropriate for those units. There are some postgraduate courses that offer Commonwealth supported places, which means the cost of the tuition is actually subsidised by the government. And there is an example of some of those courses. That's not the complete list, but that's some of the courses that are government subsidised. In terms of assisting you to pay off your study fees, Fee Help offers eligible students a loan scheme. To be eligible for fee help, you need to be an Australian citizen or the holder of a permanent humanitarian visa and be a resident for the duration of your unit of study. The fee help limit is $89,000 for all courses with the exception of medicine, veterinary science and dentistry. If you defer the payment of fees through fee help, you won't have to begin paying back the debt until your income is above the minimum repayment threshold. That's currently sitting at around $47,000 per annum. As I said, you can get more information on our fees and charges website, so I urge you to find out more there. You might also have the option of approaching your employer to see if they can help with the cost of your postgraduate study. There are also potential tax benefits for you, so check out the Australian Tax Office site in that respect. You may be entitled, when you check with your taxation advisor, to undertake some income tax deductions regarding your study, particularly if it's related to your course of work. I was fortunate that the degree that I undertook was related to my course of work, and I was able to claim some income tax benefits for that. Don't forget to consider the other expenses in doing postgraduate work. You need to consider such things as textbooks, might be art and design materials, might be first aid courses, police clearance checks, and of course computer equipment you also need to budget for. Professor Quinn mentioned before research at Curtin. At Curtin, we do have a multidisciplinary and a collaborative approach to the way that we undertake our postgraduate programs. We do have a solid foundation and industry recognition and industry partnerships, and we do have a reputation for attracting high calibre professionals, and they in turn work with our students together in their research courses of study. If you're considering research, you can apply at any time for research study. The Curtin University Postgraduate Scholarships close on the 31st of October, so you'll need to get your application in quickly. Again, you'll find more information on the research website. To apply, consult and discuss options with the postgraduate coordinator from your faculty and see staff at the faculty booth for more information.